Hi there, Charles Hunter with Sashco. Today we're going to talk about through the roof. And if you're anything like me, you don't love climbing up onto your roof to repair any of the leaks, right? That's why I always use through the roof. I know that it's going to give me a long-lasting, flexible seal that's going to penetrate the roof surface and ensure that it's not going to leak again. If you look at our brush grade, look at the clarity. This product is going to stay crystal clear and it sticks to a huge variety of roofing surfaces. Speaking of, it also sticks even to wet surfaces. So when you have an active leak, you can use through the roof and you know it's going to seal. Now, a lot of people are probably used to using the black asphalt roof repairs, right? They're messy, they don't stick very well, they also don't last very long. Through the roof is going to last at least 20 times longer than the black asphalt roof repair. Another thing, if you look at this, through the roof is really going to penetrate into the leak versus the asphalt that tends to just kind of sit on top. Through the roof is available in the 3 different sizes. You see we have the cartridge for pinpointing exactly where you want to put it. Works really, really well. We have the quart that I talked about. We also have the gallon. Great thing, just foam brush is the best way to apply the quart or the gallon. Works really well, seals in all kinds of weather and all kinds of roofing surfaces. Through the roof is the one that's really going to help you and save you time and money down the road.